day. Welcome to week 2 of 30 days of adventure. This is day 8, where we explore the conversational nature of reality, as David White puts it. This is the dance between the known and the unknown. It's how we show up to a moment with our desires and our intentions, and life serves us up with something totally unexpected. And so what does that meeting place look like? That's what we're just going to be curious about today and notice on our adventure as we remember what it is that is most important to us, why we're showing up each day for ourselves, to get a little more curious into this grand adventure of living our best life. So I so look forward to expounding on this conversational nature of reality with you. Enjoy the day, enjoy your adventurous self, and I will see you soon.